So this is the new EKEN doorbell installed. As you can see, when the blue light's flashing, that's the motion coming on. You hear my chimes in the background. It's a really great camera. The clarity of the video is wonderful. The only problem that I have, or issue I have, my other doorbell, video doorbell, would adjust night vision when my porch light was on. It would adjust so I could see clear pictures, and this one does not. So in order to get clear pictures at night, I have to turn off my porch light. But other than that, it's great. Really sensitive to motion. Great clear pictures and videos. But other than that, really good brand.